Here we are in the Daintree Rainforest, and we're here for another all-Arran adventure. All Aussie adventures, lots of adventures in the rainforest. In today's episode, we'll be heading to tropical North Queensland, to the Daintree Rainforest. But this land has far more than just queens in it. It's got a whole load of trees and a few animals too. We've hit a bit of a problem in the road that's come to this river. So it's a bit of a dead end. But when you're in the bush, you've always got to be resourceful. So what I've planned to do is just wait for the ferry to come back, and then that'll take us over the river. Film the ferry, you idiot. Another problem overcome by my years of bush experience. Soon I was back on the road and heading straight for Daintree. Before we head into the rainforest, we just want to be careful not to damage the natural habitat of all these animals. Let's go. Always tell when it's Christmas in the rainforest. Because over here we found a little red ribbon. That tells us that it's Christmas in the rainforest. The wonders of nature.
That's pink, not red.
After my encounter with nature's tinsel, I found a very intelligent tree. Here we have a very clever tree, you see, because this tree was smart enough to know that it had to grow through that little hole in the boardwalk. It's the smartest tree that I've ever met. Nice to meet you, eh? One place where the rainforest meets the ocean is Coconut Beach. And as you can tell by its name, Coconut Beach is famous for being a beach. The water here in these tropical beaches is so warm, it's like a lovely warm bath. I've needed a wee all afternoon.